Good day everyone. I have been posting for a long time the weight loss smoothie. It's also an immune system boosting smoothie. A great breakfast for you to have in the morning, right? I've posted the ingredients and today I'm taking the opportunity to actually show you how to make this smoothie. Alright, so we have our fruits here. It's simple. We have pawpaw, pineapple, banana. We have the flaxseed meal. It's not the actual flax seeds, it's ground up, so it's like a powder. Right? This is it here. Alright, so when it is ground, you get the nutrients being absorbed more easily into the body. And then we have our chia seeds, which a lot of people don't know how to use, but I will show you how to use it today. So these are the chia seeds. These things are available at Pennywise, Extra Foods, Massy Source, True Value, so you can get them. And then we have the macro greens. This is available at the spa, or you can buy it online also. Certain health food stores would have it as well for you. It is full of all of these ingredients. I use a scoop of this every day. It is really good for boosting the immune system. Alright, so we have our, and I just use a regular Oster blender. I don't use any NutriBullet, anything like that, a regular Oster blender to make my smoothie. So you don't need to go out there and buy any $1,200, appliance, right? I buy this by Price Mart for $3.50, right? So we're on a budget. Okay, so we have prepared our pawpaw. We have some pineapple here. And I will use 2 bananas, right? People, I know you're probably thinking that it's expensive to be making this smoothie for breakfast every morning. I'll give you a tip as to what I do when I go to buy my fruits. I go, to the same fruit vendor, and he knows I always come to buy fruits. So I would tell him, I say, give me the fruits that are ripe, that, close to spoiling, so that, I could buy them at a discount. So sometimes I would get like 5 pawpaw for $40. I might get 5 pineapple for $30. So I would come home and I would cut up everything and I would freeze it in the snack size Ziploc bags. Right? So I would have fruits for like a whole month. So every morning I'll just take out a pack of pawpaw, a pack of pineapple. Unfortunately, the bananas don't freeze well, so I don't do that with it. So that is how you can have your fruits available. Alright, with the chia seeds now, you are using 2 tablespoons of the chia seeds. Let me just get a spoon here. Alright, so this is what the chia seeds normally look like. Okay, so you're taking 2 tablespoons of this. I have a container that I just put it into, and you're leaving your chia seeds to soak overnight. When it soaks overnight, it swells. Right, so the next morning it's ready for you to make your smoothie again. So that's how we use it. It's not crunchy or anything, it is smooth when you put it in. Chia seeds are a powerhouse. What it will do for you, it keeps you full, it gives you stamina, and it's a great source of protein as well. Right, so this is how I can drink this for breakfast and I'm not hungry until like 2 o'clock in the day. Okay, so the flaxmeal helps to regulate the insulin level so that you are not hungry as well, and regulate the blood sugar. It's also really good for your skin, right, and pawpaw as well. So we will now just combine the ingredients. Alright, we'll put in our pawpaw, we'll put our pineapple, bring some full here. We'll put our 2 bananas. Right, and remember that you could put whatever you want into your smoothie. If you don't like bananas, you could substitute it for something else. Sometimes I put broccoli, I put spinach, I put cucumber. It's a really nice thing to put in a smoothie. It's really refreshing. People like berries. Right, so whatever you feel to put in your smoothie, you can put it in. Alright, this is just what I prefer. I really like to put soursop in my smoothies, but I can't get any soursop right now. Alright, so shake up your chia seeds that you've had soaking overnight. Alright, you add the chia seed set. This is what it would look like. we add 1 scoop of our macrogreens. This is how it looks. We add 2 tablespoons of the flaxmeal. Now you'll see what it looks like. This is our flaxmeal here. 1, 2. And I need to add a little more water. Alright, we just for somebody who really does not enjoy cooking, this is an easy breakfast for you to make. Alright, so when you make this, you get like 3 glasses. I drink this for breakfast every morning, and that is it. No bread, no flour, you're good to go. Alright, so enjoy.